Okay, here we are in the Rainforest Cafe, and look at this glass.
And we just got our drink.
It's flashing.
And we're after grabbing our dinner, and we're waiting for our dinner to come. And guess what? We didn't even get lost once all day today.
Talk up a bit because it's loud in here.
I know. We had a great day travelling. We didn't get lost at all. Navigated the airport, got the bus, found the resort, got the right bus downtown, didn't get lost at all. It's great so far, everything's going great. What else? Maybe you could video the fish.
Take a nice piece of the drink and tell everybody if it's good.
Do
you like it?
Coconut and cherries in it. I like tasty cherries.
Yuck, cherries. This woman is brave. She eats cherries. Yuck.
Okay, what's that bad?
Yuck.
That is a great fish.
Here's the fish up here.
I got a different one too though. You got pina colada, I think. I got a Brazilian.
You got the pina colada, I got the Brazilian thing. The only difference is that they left the raspberry puree out here.
Oh,
Alright.
the gorilla root.